In this video, I will be going over new updates in our Related tab feature. The Related tab is a helpful tool that shows you other items related to the one you're looking at. This makes it easier to see if the same issue is happening in different parts of your codebase or if there are similar items that might be connected. With our latest update, merging items is simpler than ever. You can combine related items right in the Similar Items table. By grouping similar items together, your list stays organized and clear, making it easier to spot real issues in your system. We have also now added new tables that show items introduced or reactivated in the same code versions as your current item. This helps you find other items that might have the same root cause because they appeared with related code updates. The Related tab is now a premium feature, redesigned to give you better control and insight into your items. Upgrade to our Essentials plan today to take your item management to the next level, understand your data better, and make your work easier than ever.